Bago kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. Sa vlog na to, nagpapasalamat kami kay Mr. Meatloaf Homemade Meat Products for sending us 5 of their products. And napakaganda dito guys, these products are homemade, not factory made. And that brings us to, you know, very secret ingredients, homemade na talagang they wanna pass on and mapakilala sa atin. So, they sent us 5 of their premium cut meat products. These are, ayan, mga ready to cook na po mga na to. No need to rinse or clean. Straight to the frying pan. No need to add water. But very seldom, if you even out yung cooking natin, you're gonna add a little bit of oil. Okay, so we're gonna taste them. Meron na tayong mga luto dito, nakaluto. So this one is their premium pork inasal. Meron tayong rice dito, guys. And also, I gotta say, no, ang lakas maka-rice, ang lakas makagutom ng mga amoy nila. Oh, wow. Sobrang strong nung inasal flavor. I like a little bit of peppery taste dun sa natin, dun sa meat natin. Kulang na lang dito kamatis. Wow! Before I proceed, so ito po yung kanilang promotional material. Yan. So for only 80 pesos for each pack. Now if you order 10 packs, slice 10 pesos and take 70 pesos na lang po per pack. So that is 700 pesos, no? Nakamura tayo ng 100 pesos. This one is their premium pork barbecue. Per pack natin, for a person like me, it can be shared up until 3 persons. Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh man! Actually, nagda-diet ako ng rice ngayon pero nakakatukso guys. Now, if you partner it with other parang mga silog, mga ganyan, no? It can serve up until 4 persons siguro. So, ito yung napaka-swak na swak dun sa mga may mga silog businesses, mga ganyan. So, alam mo na kung ilan yung masaserve ng isang pack. So, it's very cost efficient. Oh man! Pork barbecue, yeah. Sarap ng smoky flavor. So let me proceed guys. This one is their premium pork soy pepper. Soy pepper, ayan. So let's taste this one. So, rice muna. I think not that usual for us na Filipino or Kapampangan. Medyo pang international yung niya, yung flavor niya. Okay, I wanna try this one. Speaking of international flavor, so meron silang premium spicy Korean pork. Spicy Korean pork. Let's taste it. Oh yeah. Oh, that one's hot. That one's hot. Really spicy. Oh wow. Wow. From the name itself, it's really spicy. You just have to be very cautious para sa mga bata nakakain dito. Yeah, nakuha niya yung flavor ng Korean food. It's sweet, it's salty, and you know, a little bit sour. Swak na swak para sa mga, you know, BTS fanatics. And then lastly guys, this is the premium pork tapa. Of course, every Filipino would really recognize what a tapa is. But this one's pork, parang samgyupsal lang. Samgyupsal at saka... Anyway, so this one again is their premium pork tapa. Oh, ang bango nito guys, ang bango. Promise. I'm not kidding. Okay. Oh wow. Guys, if you are to ask me, for example, wala ka pang idea talaga kung ano yung pipiliin mo dito. For me personally, I got really interested with the premium pork soy pepper nila. So this is parang really out of my flavors. Naging interesado ako dun sa taste na yun and I really wanna proceed with that. Yung usual naman talaga, go for the inasal. This is really great. So again, this is their slash price. If you avail 10, they're gonna slash 10 pesos for each pack. If you're interested to do business with them like a reseller or a partner distributor, make sure to call the numbers we're gonna be providing below. Call the number po na yon and do business with them. They also have this advocacy po na makatulong para sa ating mga Pilipino, lalo na po ngayon na pandemic. So we really need those, you know, extra income, side hustle. Benta po tayo ng mga meat products. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. I'm gonna enjoy this with the rest of my family. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video, peace out guys. Bye bye.